Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix desktop icons missing or blank in Windows 11. So let's start. So first let's go to press Windows plus R and then let's write up data. Just click on accept and will appear the file. So let's go to local and here on local just scroll down and let's go to the part that says icon cache. Just right click here and then you have to delete. When you delete, you will fix this problem without any inconvenience. So just click on delete and try to open again or try to see if your icons doesn't disappear on your Windows. That is how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's very easy. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give us a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.